In front of me there's Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, let's access the app menu. Then let's open Settings. Here let's tap on My Device. Now let's scroll down, and here we have blocking mode. To turn it on, we just tap this slider. To turn it off, we tap it again. Now we can access more settings for it by tapping the blocking mode itself. Here we can choose what should be blocked, for example, calls, notifications, or alarm and timer. We can turn it off or on. Below we can set the period of time in which it will be active. As for now it's set to always, but we can tap it on and choose the period of time manually. There's also quicker method to turn it on and off. For that we need to go to main screen, and from here we just from the tabs swipe down to open the drop down menu. Here let's swipe left to find blocking mode, and we tap on this icon to turn it on. OK to confirm. As you can see, it turned on. And to turn it off, we just tap it again. We can also quickly access settings for it by touching and holding it like that. And at this point it should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and like the video.